welcome back to the channel, and good morning. It is a sea day on the Icon of the Seas, and I am in the Pearl. It's 6 o'clock in the morning, and I know all of us in our 50s enjoy a cup of coffee in the morning and a place to go enjoy it. So we're going to grab a cup of coffee from the Pearl Cafe and head to the destination elevators. I'm going to take you to a really cool place that I go to in the morning. I know we all have our spots to go to on these ships. I'm going to show you where I go. So, good suggestion. If you have a favorite place to have your morning coffee on the Icon of the Seas, please comment below. So, again, we're in the Pearl. It's 6 a.m. Leslie's still sleeping. Let's go grab some coffee. And the Pearl Cafe has all the pastries and grab-and-go stuff, too. It's all complimentary. There's an espresso bar at the end that you could use your coffee card that you could pre-purchase. You can get your espressos over there on your coffee card, or you could go down here to Starbucks. Man, it's that early. Starbucks isn't even open. Or you could go to the Crown Lounge and get an espresso. So, I mean, there's lots of coffee options. Let's go over here and grab a cup of coffee. All right, so the coffee's out. So I'm gonna get the cream here first. You just put your hand in front of it. Coffee's there, but it's out. I got my cup of coffee. I'm going to show you the destination elevators and a cool place to go to enjoy your first cup of coffee. If you have a favorite place to enjoy your coffee on the Icon of the Seas, please comment below. So let me show you these destination elevators. All right, so we're walking into the destination elevators off the promenade on 5, and we need to go to 15. So you just come to one of these panels. It tells you what elevator to go to and the direction for it to go. So that one was to my left, obviously. And there it is. You get on the elevator and you do not do a thing. It already knows where you're going. It has a cool panel up here. It tells you what you're on and next deck. And these things are phenomenal, these destination elevators. I bet 60% of the time that I get in an elevator, it doesn't matter if it's 11:30 at night, I'm usually by myself or with Leslie.
Deck 15.
They're really cool. Alright, so I'll show you where I go here. So I'm forward on the ship. Alright, I'm going to show you where we go. So I'm forward on the ship. And we're walking into the Aqua Dome Theater, which is absolutely gorgeous. This is where the Aqua Show is. But we're not going to go there right now. Just to give you a little destination where we are. To the right is the Aqua Dome Market. Up there where the windows you could start seeing out is the Rye and Bean, the bar that is coffee based. A huge American flag. Thank you to our U.S. military for all that they have done and are doing. We are going to go to the left. We are walking by Hooked Seafood. Leslie and I have only been to Hooked once, and it was on the Wonder of the Seas. We did not go to this one. So now we're walking in front, to the very front of the windshield of the ship. This huge champagne looking glass up there is actually a couch. There's no water in this one. You know, we're all used to the Oasis class, where that is the solarium. They do not have that in this one. So this is all nice plush carpet. Again, a lot of neon on this ship, but it's not corny in any way. This is actually called the Overlook. I'll go show you where I've been sitting and just enjoying the sunrises in the morning. The first 2 days of the cruise, we were heading east. So I did actually watch the sun break the surface, and it was fantastic. Sorry it's a little cloudy today, but good morning from the Icon of the Seas. You can sit here for a few minutes and enjoy your coffee while I enjoy my coffee on the Icon of the Seas. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you next time.